don't sneak, kinda love that so deep. I'm freak, kinda lover.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Shout out to NABEAUTYHAIR for sending me this unit for today's video. So I've already opened the package, but I want to show y'all what it looked like before I washed my wig. So it came in this box here, then it was taped down, and then inside of the box there was this package, which includes gave me an elastic band as well as some lashes, and I thought this was super cute. It's like a what's these called? Tweezers. I love using tweezers when I'm putting on my lashes, and it's like a little mermaid type of look. And also, of course, the wig was in here. Like I said, I've already washed it, but it came in this paper here, and then they gave me some wig caps, and this fell, but it's just like a little information card. And of course, on the packaging it tells me everything about my wig that I just got. As I said, I've already washed the wig, but this is what it looks like. Very ginger orangey. The lace has not been plucked yet, so I'm gonna go in and pluck it. And it does have combs, 2 in the side, 1 in the top, 1 at the nape, and it does also have the adjustable band in the back. So this ginger bob wig is 14 inches. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, 150% density. Now let's get into this install. Right now I'm just applying the wig to my hair, just trying to get it situated and make it fit how I want it to fit. Once I get everything, you know, kind of together, I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm going to start applying this to the middle of my forehead. And I'm wanting to do a thin layer. I don't want it to be too thick because I want it to dry clear. Don't want nothing, you know, all clumpy and cakey. And then I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer to help make the gel tacky, so that when I start to apply the wig, it actually sticks. So once I get the middle going, I just follow up and do the 2 other sides. Right now I'm just pressing it into my skin so that it like melts. I want it to look seamless. And I'm gonna go over top with some of the Freeze Blast spray as well. As I said, I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other sides of the wig. So I'm just doing the same thing to this side. Applying some of the Got To Be gel. So now here I am, I've completely applied my wig. It's looking real nice so far, but I always like to go in and put baby hairs, which I will do pretty soon towards the end. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of combing through my hair and just kind of showing you guys what it's looking like. It's looking pretty good to me. So now it's time to style it. I'm going to be doing a side part. I like to do side parts most of the time. I kind of switch it up and try to do a middle part sometime, but today we doing a side part, and I've been loving the technique of using a hot comb. So glad I have one now to use on my wigs. So I'm just, you know, taking my time to make sure I get the part exactly how I want it. So I'm going back in and fixing it so it can be perfect. Now, although the hot comb does really good with laying the hair, I just feel like mousse just helps me to just like solidify it. It just be laid. So I'm going in with some mousse, and this is going to help with flattening the hair, flattening flyaways and all that good stuff, but definitely flattening it out. And of course, I'm going to then blow dry that to get it dry after using the mousse. So everything is definitely coming together, as y'all can see. And right here, I just went ahead and did my edges or whatever, baby hairs, off camera. And it's definitely looking good, y'all. Right now, I'm just flat ironing it. I'm pretty much done. Like, this was a super quick and easy install. The hair is bomb. This bob is fire. The color is fire. I really, really like this look. Definitely something different from the usual. And just topping it off with this hot comb, it just makes it pop. And once I was done with this, here was my completed look. Yes, auntie, as y'all can see, your girl is popping 10. I really, really love this wig, y'all. Came out super cute, as you can see. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe and join the team. Turn on your notifications. That's pretty much it. Your girl is out. Deuces.